دوباره به چینل باکو کابل خوش آمدیم. حالا به خانم هندوستانی که این اموال خود به فروش مونده میخوایم با شما معرفی کنیم.
Welcome all, and we are at Baku for this international exhibition. This is completely such a very unique exhibition where you can get everything in the traditional way in very good budget according to you. Here I see that many of the country peoples are coming. They are enjoying shopping, having food. They are taking luxury items. I can show you some article also. These all are the unique products, and some spiritual things we are also having here, like the 7 chakras where you can take your energies high. We have lots of ideals here. Very beautiful pens we are selected here. It's a very selected items. I will show you more. This is a Rudraksha. The devotional and the spiritual persons can have this malas. This is a peacock feather also, and all these are decoration pieces you can get here. And see, this is also very beautiful. This is especially from the India, and the original stones you can see it's a completely original one. You don't get anywhere, but you can get only with us. And I will show you more articles. You can see it's a very unique one. It's a metal, copper, silver jewelry also we have. I will show you one more thing here. If you look at the quality of the stones, it's all are very original one. You can see. And the youngster also enjoying this exhibition. Look at this feather decoration piece. We can use at our home decoration, and the cost is very low, and it's a very unique. You can check this. Look at this. It's a lovely one, and we are enjoying here. And this is our very beautiful 7 chakras decoration piece where you can keep in the entrance of your home, so in no evil eye will come to you, and you will make your life very positive. So thank you very much. And okay, see the beautiful sarees here, all are handmade. You can check, you can see the quality of this article. It's completely handmade work in a very reasonable prices, because we are here for you guys. Just enjoy this exhibition. Tantaram. Thank you.
Thank you permission. دوستا این بخشمون تمام شد. حالا ما رو تعقیب کنیم به ویدیوهای بعدی ما.
So guys, we are coming back on our cosmetic store. We have a very beautiful cosmetics here with the brand, with the different brands where you can take blusher for your face, your foundation. It's a very beautiful and a very original and a very lightweighted lip gloss you can get here, and it's a very unique collection. I must say, people are so enjoying here to get the best collection of this cosmetic, and the Baku public and the all international public is coming to take this beautiful lip liner, that lipsticks, unique lipsticks, a very nice and very lightweighted lipsticks you can get here. It's a matte finishing or glossy kind of. It's a very lightweight lipstick. Even I'm using this, so I love this product. Sorry. And also we have here like a very original alcohol-free perfumes here. You can see we have the very beautiful collection of the perfumes where you can get the Gucci, Danshell, Million. It's this store is last from the since 1888. So it's a very good product. You can take it, and we have also skin product here where you can. It's an organic product where you can check. It's a mud mask where you can have on your face. It's a mud mask actually. And for the skin polish, we have a very good product. All are homemade and the Ayurvedic one. So please welcome to our stores. We are in Baku now and we are enjoying cosmetics for the females. Even the males can have this product. It's a lovely product. So thank you very much. We will go on the next stall. So here I am coming to the very beautiful store. This is the store of the bag where you can see the pure leather bags in the very different variety, in the very different colors. You can get the belt also here. And I will show you one more thing. In Baku, we are selling this product in very high range, in very high quality. People are such enjoying, the girls are enjoying these kind of bags here. It's a very unique, you can see your face, like me, I'm looking my face. So you don't need to have a mirror in your bag. We can see the our mirror in my bag. So this is a very beautiful product. Females very like this bag. And one thing more, it's a very traditional. College girls are using this bag. This is a kind of house. And you can see the quality. It's a completely leather. So you can take the tang with the right. And we have some traditional bag here also. It's a completely handmade product. Completely handmade. So I will show you one thing more. This is our cigarette case also. You can take your cigarette in this, and it's a very selling product nowadays. And we have a caps also here. It's a very beautiful and the soft handmade product, and you can see the quality and the quantity of the product. Here I have some handmade pearls also, with the pure jewelry, pure pearl. So now we are going on the next. Can I start? So now again I'm coming back on the very different stall. Here we are a very beautiful jewelry. It's a very unique and the original jewelry you can get. It's completely red pearls of this necklace with the earrings in a very different variety. And this is a bridal hair with the stones are very unique and the handmade quality. You can just zoom the quality of this product, and this is completely very unique with the mang tikka, the bridals or any party wear. Girl can wear this, even my dear ladies can wear this beautiful necklace with the earrings. I will show you guys like this. And here we have a tikka also. You can take the, it's a completely very unique, very nice one. Yeah, thank you. So I'm enjoying here, and the Baku public is also enjoying. I want to show you something more. This is a very good article which you can wear in your hands like this. It's removed. This is bracelet. Yeah. Actually, this is a bracelet you can take the colorful way with the color, with any color of dress you can wear. It's a very beautiful one. You can see it's a very movable also. And also we have a gold plated leg. We have a very beautiful gold plated pile which we can wear on our feet, and this beautiful earrings and a very beautiful prices. It's a very good quality. And we have here the silver jewelry also This is also very good. See the quality, the finishing of this product. And look at this. It's amazing product. Amazing, amazing. You can check. Just keep it in the zoom way.
Silver plating.
This all are silver plated earrings in the different designing. Long you can take, and minimum.
Mang tikka.
And this is with the Mang tikka. Let me have once, you guys. I will check. I will show you. See.
Very nice.
So dear, this is our Mang tikka. And yeah, I will show you this. And you can have with the Indian dress and you will show your personality rock. Let me show you something more. We have a Indian dresses also. This is a completely cotton Lucknowi handmade kurtis where only you can get in this Baku. This is Afghani proper pure cotton Afghani salwar. You can wear with the t-shirt, with the long kurtis, or with the long cotton kurtas also. We have a different color in this. Now I'm going to show you something more, guys. Let's come to me. We have here a beautiful lehengas. The girls are liking a lot this kind of dress. This is a completely handmade lehengas. You can see the quality of this embroidery. We have the different color here and a very brighter and a very pretty colors. We have a pretty dresses here with the long kurtis, and you can see we have a spaghetti also here with the cotton stuff. It's completely Lucknowi kind of and the pure cotton, and all are handmade. You can check. So guys, here we are for you.
This is for beach.
Visit us
Beach dress.
and enjoy our exhibition. We are here for you. Enjoy this exhibition, and this is a beach dress. It's a kind of pochu one. You can enjoy the beach also. Let me show you something more, guys. Please follow me. Now, again, I'm back to one more store. It's a completely pure original stones articles. Yeah, it's a stone name is onyx. The stone name is onyx. In the onyx you can get this face massager for the wrinkles. Nowadays it's very popular, and you can take this home decoration flower pot. And we have a very unique chest case in the onyx stone. You can see the quality, and we have this beautiful heart also. You can keep with your heart. We have a beautiful apple here. You can decorate your home with this. We have a key rings of this stone. It's completely original one. You never get anywhere. You can take in your chanting also. You can keep in your hand also like this. It's also very movable. Yeah, look at this. See the quality. It's a very beautiful, and nowadays it's very popular in Baku. And I want to show you some more beautiful articles for the home decoration. It's completely a handmade decoration pieces. You can see. And I will show you one thing more. Grapes we have also here. We have a grapes also here. You can see the quality. You can hang in your doors, in your dining rooms, anywhere you can use. And we have a very beautiful the spices medicines you can mash in this. It's a very unique and a very popular item nowadays. It's a very high selling product here. So guys, let's move to other store. Aha, for you guys, see. It's a very unique one. You can serve the any kind of dishes to your guests. To you also enjoy anything in this small glasses. You can have a tequila also in this. Let's move to other shop. Okay, that's great. It's a wooden one. Oh, what a great. So guys, this is a wooden made articles which you can enjoy at your home decoration, and it's a very completely, the removable also you can enjoy with this. So it's a very beautiful, you can see, and we have a camel feet also. This is also the handmade pure wooden one. Very beautiful collection here. Very beautiful collection here. So thanks to, yeah. और तुम भी आओ, इधर पीछे आओ. So, Tantaran. Again, I'm back to one more beautiful stall. Something amazing in this. I will show you how. Here you can get everything. You can get the dresses, you can take the home decoration pieces, you can select anything here in one store. We have here a very beautiful bangles in very beautiful designs, and this is completely handmade, original one. Again, I'm going to show you this. It's a very popular nowadays. It's a gold plated bangles. See the quality of this. It's so beautiful, so unique, and you can get one more. I will show you. Can you zoom this? Just zoom the quality. See the quality. It's a gold plated one with the pearl in hanging. This you can wear like this in your hands. Let me show you something more in this shop where I like it a lot. Here we have a gold plated necklace. It's a very good quality. I will show you in the zoom. See the quality of this. It's a very good quality. It's all are gold plated in a very good genuine rates. You can enjoy shopping here. Also, we have a very beautiful chains for the males, for the boys. See the quality. See the quality. The man or female, anyone can wear. This is a very beautiful quality. So guys, we are here for you. Visit once, enjoy shopping, and keep loving yourself. Enjoy shopping, love yourself. Again, I'm going to show you one more beautiful store. We have here a very beautiful Indian sarees. You can enjoy the sarees here. Even first time I see anyone, if they don't want to get the sarees here, but they can grab the sarees, they can have a selfie, they can have a photograph here. So we are doing for our Indian culture, right? So this is a beautiful saree. You can get it here. See the designing of this. I will show you the color also. The color of this saree is so amazing, so lovable, so simple and sober one. Even I will show you this light pink color. This a very beautiful color, and the way the wearing this sari. This model is wearing this sari, so beautiful. We have also here the ready-made saris. Those that don't know how to wear the saris, we have a ready-made saris here. You just lock it on your waist and you can wear like your Indian, completely Indian dresses. You will not get anywhere these kind of stuff. All are completely cotton one. It's completely cotton sarees. It's always be a graceful. I will show you something, dear. Can you zoom this? Can you zoom this article? I will show you. See the quality of this. See the quality and the designing of this saree. You will not get anywhere this kind of stuff in a very good ways, in very good reasonable prices. So guys, we are moving again to a different. So dear, again I am back to completely Indian traditional store where you can see the mehendi. Mehendi you can check, you can see the henna, the quality of this the making, and that lady is I can say she's an international artist, and she's having an amazing experience of making the mehinas. And look at her, the hands, how she's moving, how she's making the quality of the design. And this pretty girl is enjoying this henna in the beautiful hands. I will show you one more thing. I just want to show how the henna, how the mehendi prepared, right? Here we have the cones of this product, and that she's making this batter. Yeah, she's making this batter, and after she's using this cone and apply, like this. I don't know how to apply, but I will show you. See, I will try once. I will try.
One dot.
So man, this is a place where you can enjoy like me, and I am enjoying too here.
Yes.
So beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. So we are enjoying Indian culture here also. I will show you one more thing. Here also we have a very beautiful Indian jewelry. Anywhere you can wear. All ladies can wear the traditional one, the homemade, it's called a shamiran. It's called shamiran. See the quality of the bracelet. Any students, any girls, any male, anyone can wear this and enjoy the energies. So here we also have some bracelets in very good way. The evil eye bracelet nowadays very famous. So we are enjoying this. So now we are moving to the other store because it's a completely packed with the different varieties, with the different articles. Now I am here in the store where you can get this original kesar. See the quality of kesar. I will show you. See the quality of kesar. Can you zoom it, please? See the quality of kesar. You can enjoy. You can have it like this. I'm having. Amazing taste. Amazing. So I'm showing you the different variety also here. The beautiful jewelry. Beautiful jewelry here. And the original stones you can get here. You can see the quality. See the quality. See the quality is amazing, amazing. And this one, even I'm using this for healing myself. It's a beautiful stone. So all are original pearls. You can enjoy this beautiful store in Baku, Azerbaijan. With our exhibition, coming back without slippers, you can't move anywhere. You can't move anywhere without slipper, and we are having a very good collection of slippers. It's unique product we are selling here. See the quality, the designing, even our slippers we have. I will show you more. This is a handmade slipper. See the quality. It's a pearl one. I will show you more. This is also very traditional footwear you can wear. See the quality of this product. And one thing more. See. Very good products here. I will show you more. This is also a handmade one. See, it's a very different and a unique item with the feather work. You can get only from us at Baku in a very beautiful place at the Amaya Mall. Now I'm coming back to one more stall. Here you can get a very different and a very little collection of the stone, but this is a very unique one. All are pure one. You can see the quality. Can you zoom this, please? It's a very unique one. Beautiful, beautiful. And we have a very beautiful handmade stalls. You can see the quality. Yeah, it's called a shikarga. It's called a shikarga. We have a different color in this shikarga. We have a very beautiful cotton crop tops also here. It's a very soft cotton. You can enjoy in summer, in night, outside you can wear, anywhere you can wear. And this is a designer dress. This is a designer dress also. Very soft and very beautiful. We have a very beautiful kurtas here. You can enjoy this 2 or 3 pieces tops also. You can see the quality. Welcome back to this exhibition. Again, we are at A&M exhibition at Baku. So now I'm going to show you heart of our exhibition. Here we are enjoying the music, dance and everything. We have a world famous singer here. Those they are singing a karaoke Indian songs along with this beautiful lady. She's also singing well, and she's the heart of this exhibition. And both they are enjoying there to watching the dance, listening the music, and our public of the Baku. Say hi. They are enjoying here, and side by side we are showing some Indian articles of the traditional toys, so the children can enjoy here. I can show you one very beautiful children, and she's here and she's enjoying the dance music with the Indian traditional with the bindi. And one girl is sitting here nearby the toys. So it's completely family exhibition. Family can come, enjoy, dance, party. Food is there, shopping complex is there, everything is there. It's a complete exhibition. So I welcome all at the A&M exhibition at Baku, Azerbaijan. Now we are nearby the traditional wallet showrooms. Here you can get the Dresses also here, the very beautiful dresses in very good colors. Handmade dresses is there. The Indian dresses, Pakistani dresses, sharara, lehengas, everything we have in this exhibition. You can see the quality of the dresses too. It's a completely handmade dresses which we are selling here at the A&M exhibition. It's a completely exhibition. You can get the dresses along with the jewelry section. We have a very beautiful jewelry here. Can you zoom please? See the quality of the jewelry. It's completely stone made by the hands only. And I will show you something more. You can say this is a lakh one. In India, we call this bangles is a lakh one. Black bangles. Here you can see the bangles. See the quality, see the color. Color make the life colorful. So guys, please welcome and enjoy our exhibition. Enjoy shopping, enjoy family, take the blessings. And I can show you the beautiful necklace here. And one beautiful lady is here. Hi to him. So let's move again. Again, we have one more stall. Here we can enjoying the scarf. It's I think 1 meter 1 meter scarf, 1 meter scarf in the silk. You can wear in the on your top, on your dresses. We have a shawls. The name? क्या नाम है? It's a pashmina stall you can get here. Handmade cushion cover for your bedroom, for your luxury decoration, and we have a very beautiful leather bags here. You can see you will get only at our exhibition. I can go like this. So beautiful, and this is the completely Haria Dubatta here, and I'm enjoying this beautiful store with these beautiful Punjabi juttis, Pakistani juttis, and beautiful design. It's a beautiful. I'm enjoying stall. Here we have a very beautiful counter. Very beautiful counter. It's a wooden articles. You can see. Can you zoom it? It's a beautiful wooden articles. Completely wooden one, handmade. And this is an awesome one, the elephant. Amazing articles here. So I must request you to join our A&M exhibition at Baku. Worldwide, we are doing such kind of beautiful exhibitions. Here we have a beautiful handmade, wooden, colorful cloth. So here again is the beautiful articles of it's a homemade, it's a purely original one. I will show you. So enjoy one thing more, I will show you the Firoza one. It's a completely original one. This Firoza Mala, can you zoom it? This is a completely original one. The Firoza for your luxury, for your wealth, and your prosperity things. My favorite one.